Hello, everyone. Check out this amazing Best 64 Colors Ambient that I just found. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. To start with, the construction, it exceeds all expectations. They used high-grade, durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low. See the deal in the bio and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.